Hey there guys, welcome back. Let's continue with the properties of dictionary. In example e.py, we saw how we can get the value for which key is known. But here, what will happen if we pass an unknown key? A key that does not exist. Let's see. Comment this and print d square brackets 12. See, here our keys are 1, 2, 3 and 4. We don't have 12 key, so let's see what it will return. Running e.py. See, it is giving us key error. Okay, so if our key does not exist, then we'll get key error. Okay, now let's see new example f.py. Suppose here we have this dictionary d is equal to name colon 2.13 comma 1 colon 21 comma 2 plus 3j colon true, and we'll print d. Now running f.py. See, our dictionary is printed as it is. Means we can store heterogeneous records in the dictionary. Okay. Now making new example g.py. We have a dictionary d is equal to name Elon Musk, age 49, company SpaceX. And suppose we have to change the value of key company from SpaceX to, let's say, Neuralink. So how we will do that? We will fetch the value of key company. So d square brackets company, and we will assign a new value to it. So this equal to string Neuralink. And now we will print d. So running g.py. See, the value is updated. Company is now Neuralink and not SpaceX. Okay. Similarly, we can add a new record in the dictionary, that is a new key value pair. Let's see how. We have to add a key, suppose location. So d square brackets location, and let the value be South Africa. And now running g.py. See, we are getting name Elon Musk, age 49, company Neuralink, and location South Africa. So our dictionary is updated. Okay. Now other than this, we have a second way to get the value from a specific key. We have a method in dictionary class which does this job. The method is get. Get method returns the value of a specified key. So let's see. Making new example h.py. Suppose we have this dictionary. Let's take the previous dictionary. And we will call get method to get the value of a key. Let's say key is age. Get method is of dictionary class, so it is called on dictionary object. Okay, so d.get age. And this returns us the value of age, so we'll print it. Print d.get age. Now running h.py. See, we are getting 49. Okay. So this is another way to get the value of a specific key. Now making new example i.py. Here we have the same dictionary as before. And now let's see the difference between the two ways of accessing values of a known key. So print d square brackets location. Here we are accessing the key location, but see, location is not in the dictionary. So let's see what happens. Running i.py. See, we are getting key error. We have already seen this in example e.py. Okay. So now comment this and print d.get location. Now I'm trying to access the value of key location using get method. So let's see what happens. Running i.py. See, here we are not getting any error. Simply none is returned. So this is done by get method. If the key is not found, then it will return none. So getting value from this method is more relevant Okay. The next method of dictionary class is pop. The pop method removes and returns the element from the dictionary whose value is specified in its parameter. Let's see. New example, j.py. Let's take the previous dictionary only and print d.pop. See, here pop works somewhat different. Here we have to specify the key in the parameter. If we don't specify any key, then it will give error. Let's first see this. Print d. And now running j.py. See, we are getting type error. Pop expected at least one argument and got 0. So here we have to provide it an argument. So comment this and now print d.pop age. Here we are removing age, so this print will return us the value of age. Let's see. Running j.py. See, 49. And in the dictionary we have only name and company. Okay. So in pop method the argument should be the key which is to be removed. And pop method returns the value of the removed key. Like in this case, the value for age was 49, so it was returned. Okay. So that's it for this video. We'll see more properties in the next video. Thank you.